Okay, so as you all know, I am a little bit of a Ryobi fan, not a sponsor. I've been fixing up this car and I've been washing it with a garden hose. I do have a gas pressure washer, but it's not running right and I'm just tired of messing with it. I really just need a little extra pressure. I'm running a 150-foot hose. I've got a 50-footer and then a 100-footer on a reel to go all the way from the back of the house to the driveway here. I lose a lot of pressure in the process. I had thought about using my transfer pump, which I've done a review on, just to boost the pressure a little bit. But then I was at Home Depot and I spotted this little guy. Now it's only 320 PSI. You're not gonna power wash a driveway with this, but for washing a car, well, we're about to find out. Let's see what comes in the box. So like if I wanted to put some soapy water, ordinary spray bottle. Hey, look at that. We're gonna try that first. Give this a good soap down. So we're gonna start with a soap solution. This is no sponsor here, but ArmorAll brand car wash. I like this stuff. It's super concentrated. Only a little bit left in this bottle. That's fine. Make sure that's on jet. It's pretty good. It's almost all bubbles. Okay. We're gonna put this together. We're gonna grab our tool. Do you have to pull that down or?
Snap in the quick connect adapter.
I'm not liking the flimsy plastic quick connect. It should just click in.
Snap in the quick connect adapter?
I would think. Yeah, it's a little tricky to get that to click.
Snap in.
Maybe I should have done that before I put it on the bottle.
Quick connect adapter? You're ready to clean. Quick connect adapter?
Yeah, I'm not so confident with that.
You're ready to clean.
Did this click in or not?
Let me show you how easy it is to use.
Okay, let's see what happens. Well, that's not very impressive so far.
This gives you the ability to choose the perfect setting.
I have a feeling it's this connector.
Quick connect adapter?
Yeah, this isn't quite clicked all the way.
You're ready to clean.
On. There it is, okay. Let's see if that makes a difference. That made all the difference. Okay, we're gonna give her a soap here. I don't know why I'm yelling, I'm using a lap mic. Let's just give her a good soap down. Oh boy, that sucked all that soapy water right out. That did not take long. Okay, let's go for the other option here, and that would be putting it on the garden hose. Now this is on, so I'm gonna, this is the pressure I get from the hose itself. It's not horrible, it's just not great. So we're gonna double kink this. That's my on-off switch. And we are going to attach this guy. Now I wonder if this is a leak-proof style quick connect or not. Nope. So it's just flowing. All right, so pull that down. Get it all the way seated in there.
By connecting to a standard garden hose?
Till that thing clicks. There. Ooh.
Snap in the quick connect adapter?
That is, okay, that's a little better. Now I should get a better, more consistent spray, but a little bit of tree sap right there. All right, what's turbo? Okay, this is rinse. And then turbo. How is that turbo? Really, the 15 degree is the closest thing to an actual pressure washer. I don't know, for $99, what do you guys think? That doesn't feel any more powerful than the garden hose itself. Here's a thought. I'm getting almost as much pressure without the aid of the tool. We'll give it one last redemption test here. Okay, one last redemption attempt here. You're somewhere you don't have access to running water. I know this is not a big old bucket, but we're gonna try this. You hook this end up to the unit.
Snap in the quick connect adapter.
Again, these quick disconnects are not great.
Let me show you how easy it is to use.
They're plastic and you really have to force them on there.
Quick connect adapter.
Okay. So you're working somewhere where your only access to water is a bucket of water or a lake.
And you're able to pull water from any fresh water source, whether it's a lake, pool, or even a bucket.
Okay, to sum up, it doesn't seem to add much pressure to my garden hose, so that's we'll put a red check on that one. It sucks the soapy water out of the soap bottle just like that, so that's a red check. The only green check is if the only access to water is you've got buckets, whatever. In that case, I'd rather use the transfer pump that I've already reviewed on this channel, and I have kept that and I've used that a very long time. If you think you might have a use for it, there's a link for it in the description below. But personally, eventually I want to get one of the bigger Ryobi pressure washer kits and see if that works any better. Maybe a 40 volt. We'll see. But on that note, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you like videos like this, I know I haven't done tool review in a while, but I haven't bought any tools in a while. If you like these kind of videos, subscribe, and there should be something on your screen right now that you might be interested in. Thanks for watching.
Snap in the quick connect adapter.
Okay.